Good morning, Excel Vending.
Morning, I wonder if you can help me at all. I'm having a slight problem with one of the machines involving a bag of quavers.
What's the name of the company?
XL Vending, it says on the side of the machine. Put in for quavers, but they got stuck. So, stupidly, and I know you're going to say I shouldn't have done this, but we've got a thing at work today called Bring a Pet to Work, and so I stupidly put the hamster in to get the quavers. He's called Harry, and I just thought that he would nudge the bag, you know, but he got sidetracked by a whiff of a Nutrigrain bar, I think.
The hamster was trying to get the Nutrigrain bar, was it?
I just thought he would nudge it and come back out again, but will it come back out by itself?
Possibly, but we'd maybe better get someone in to see if we can get him out.
I mean, I can see him, he's fine, he's... Can you hear that? I've put in more money, but it's still nothing coming out at all. Harry!
You know the machine number?
Where would that be?
It should be on the side of the machine.
Wait, I'll have a wee look. Hold on.
Thank you.
Oh, hold on. His wee nose. Oh, he's come back in again.
What's the name of your company?
I've just started. I can give you the postcode.
And what's the postcode?
G69. Harry! No.
That wouldn't be Heart Radio and Robin Galloway, would it be at all? That was good. My name's Michelle.
Michelle's out now. It's a win-win. Did you like that?
You got me there, Robin.